Friends, running kimono. Okay, so just a quick little Halloween update. If your store has any merchandise, it's probably between 50 to 70%. At 70%, that's where it might cap. In other markets, the rumor is tomorrow, which is November the 5th, a lot of stores are supposed to hit 90, whatever is left. Now, last night I was at Walgreens on a super secret operation. I can't even disclose the details of that. I walked by the Halloween stuff, and like there was like one box of like really old candy, and that was it. So depending on your market, did people go really crazy with Halloween, yes or no? But there was really very little left. So this may or may not be worth your time. So maybe just walk by, see what they have today, and then maybe Friday the 5th, it might be worth your time to go and see if you love Halloween and you want clearance stuff. So the first deal we're going to talk about is with the Lay's Stack potato chips for $1. Now I'm going to let you know right off the bat, if you live super rural or smaller town, they might not have this in stock, and it's just the breaks of this. But these Lay's Stacks are $1, and this is going to be a curbside pickup deal. Because unfortunately they do not sell this here locally, so I can't even go and test this out. And we have a digital coupon that popped up, which is a 3 off of 5. And Pepsi, Frito-Lay's, and part of Frito-Lay's is the Lay's chips. So definitely load this. You have till the end of the month. So if I go to the big city between now and then, I could probably track down this little deal and get some really inexpensive chips for Mr. Kimono. Okay, so load this coupon at the very least, guys. And we're also going to grab 2 of these because we need our basket to be at $10, and $5, we're $5 shy of that. And as you can see, you buy 2 of these, you get back $3 of Walgreens cash, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So load this digital coupon. So if you did this deal earlier in the week, perhaps you want to sub it out with some Scott's toilet paper, paper towel, or something different, whatever you wish. But definitely load this guy. Okay, so looking at the math here for the chips and the toothpaste, that's $10.98. So we're doing this as a curbside pickup. So you need to add the 5 things of chips, the 2 things of toothpaste. That is 7 items. So that's $10.98. We're going to do a curbside pickup, so that's free. Our tax here, and the $6 of manufacturer coupons. That is the $3 for the 3 off of 5 for the Frito-Lay, and then the $3 off of 2 for the Colgate. Now you will be getting back $3 of Walgreens cash for buying the Colgate toothpaste. And because this is a buy deal, yes, you can absolutely use your Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down that $5, absolutely go for it. You'll pay 46 cents and then get back $3 of Walgreens cash. And just to show you, the digital coupons did apply, the 3 off of 2 for the Colgate, and then the 3 off of 5 for the Lay's chips. So at the very least, even if you don't want to do this deal, load that digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 5. Now, with the purchase of those Lay's chips, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, photograph this receipt, because Lay's is part of their catalog. Pepsi is part of their catalog as well. So you're going to get back extra points for this. And if you've never heard of this app, today is the day, guys. Sign up. We are nearing Christmas season. And with this app, you earn points towards gift cards. And it's a very easy process. Even if you bought a pack of gum last week, photograph that with a link that I'm going to provide for you in the notes, and you're given $2. And the purchase of these chips, more points. Now, let's say you want to find these in store. I believe you're going to find them in the dollar section. So most Walgreens have a dollar spot. It's either on an end cap or closer to the pharmacy, where everything is exactly $1 or 2 for $1. So you're going to grab 5 of these. I know it's working with original, maybe barbecue and sour cream if they have it. If you want to try that, just scan the barcode in the app. So find this in the dollar spot. And again, we're doing this in store, grabbing 5 of them. That's 5 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 5. You're paying $2, and it's basically 40 cents per can. With that $2 balance, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. That is why it's there. It is not your 401k. You got to use it sometimes. And to get really inexpensive chips, well, with the holidays just around the corner, I'm sure a lot of you are going to be putting out, your famous chip dip. And with that, you need some chips. So make it happen. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Why am I laughing telling you guys about making chip dip for guests? It's one of those mornings. Okay, guys, have a good one, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.